Welcome back to Hook Knife. Today, we are in a busy local market, about to witness a master at work. Check out the incredible size of this bighead fish. The massive head is why it gets its name. Let's watch how a pro breaks this monster down with incredible speed and accuracy. First step, separation. The cutter aims for the natural hinge point. It's all about leverage. Watch as he uses precise, heavy strikes. You can see the crowd gathering to watch the skill. That massive cleaver is essential for handling this kind of scale. With the head off, it's time for cleaning. The cutter makes a swift slit down the belly. Speed is everything here. Removing the entrails cleanly and efficiently is a hallmark of an expert. A quick flush, and the meat is ready for portioning. And here's where you truly see the craftsmanship. Watch this pace. He makes powerful, fluid slices. Each cut is designed to give a uniform state. No wasted motion. The sharpness of that tool is unbelievable, cutting through thick bone with barely any resistance. Look at those clean cuts. Seconds ago, it was a massive fish. Now it's perfect portions ready for cooking. That's pure professional skill. Thank you for watching this incredible display. If you enjoyed this skill, don't forget to like, comment. And subscribe for more amazing fish cutting videos. Hook knife, keep cutting.